tired of taking the bus? And you're sick of all the car shopping websites? Thinking of buying a car, but you don't know where to start? Worry no more, because we've got your back. Go to the website East Coast Financing. Choose the car that you want. Choose your monthly payments, your employment status, and your monthly income. Congratulations, you're halfway there. Now our team is on the hunt to find you the car of your dreams. We will check it, clean it, and make sure everything works perfectly. We'll also deliver it to you free of charge. What are you waiting for? Shop now at eastcoastfinancing.com.